to enable direct deposit in SoFi app. Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to enable direct deposit in the SoFi mobile app. Let's get started. Begin by opening the SoFi app on your smartphone. Log in using your registered username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the Banking tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. From the Banking tab, look for the three-dot menu or the option labeled More. Tap it to view more features and settings. Scroll through the options and tap Direct Deposit. This is where you can start the setup process for automatic paycheck deposits. Now, tap the button labeled Setup Direct Deposit. SoFi will guide you through two available setup methods. Option 1, let SoFi share deposit info for your employer. And Option 2, download a pre-filled direct deposit form to give you to your payroll department. Select the option that works best for you. If you choose the first option, fill in your employer's details and confirm. But if you pick the second option, download a form and submit it to your HR or payroll team. After setup, you'll receive a confirmation notification from SoFi. Direct deposits usually start within 1 to 2 pay cycles. That's it, you have now enabled direct deposit in the SoFi app. Enjoy fast, secure access to your paycheck with SoFi.